Hello food lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are bringing a fun twist to the traditional momo with a recipe that's sure to add a crunch to your bite. Kurkure Momos. These are not your average momos. They are crispy, flavorful and absolutely irresistible. Let's dive into the kitchen and make these delicious treats. Begin by preparing your favorite momos. Do check out description for the recipe of momo. Make sure they are cooled completely. Now let's add flattened rice into a grinder and grind it. Make sure not to make a fine powder. In a mixing bowl, combine cornstarch, pepper and salt. Gradually add water and mix it to form a smooth, lump-free batter. The consistency should be thick enough to coat the momo. Dip each momo into the batter. Ensure it's well coated on all sides. Then coat it with the poha powder. Repeat the step twice so that the momos are well coated. Heat oil in a pan for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the coated momos into the oil. Fry until they turn golden brown and crispy on the outside. Make sure to fry in batches for even cooking. And there you have it. Our crunchy and delicious kurkure momos are ready to be served. Serve them hot with your favorite dipping sauce, whether it's a spicy chutney or a tangy dip. And you can check out the description for a spicy momo chutney. Until next time, happy cooking.